Quiz 2014 Logarithmic Laws. Here are the solutions to your quiz, right? So in this video I'll give you solutions for first 3 questions and we'll do question 4 in the next video. So question A, 1A is log to the base 9 of 3 to the power of 1 over 5. So we need to write this in terms of 9, same base. Then it becomes very simple to solve, right? So that is one way of doing it. Second way is, of course, you can write it in exponential form and then do it. So let me write this in exponential form and then do it for the time being. So we can say let this be equals to x. So in that case 3 to the power of 1 over 5 is equals to 9 to the power of x, correct? Now 9 can be written as base of 3, right? We can write 9 as 3 square and therefore we get this as 9 to the power of 2x. Now since 3 and 3 is the same base, exponents should be equal. 1 over 5 equals to 2x and therefore x is equals to 1 over 10. Do you understand? So x is equals to 1 over 10 and that is your answer. Now here 5 to the power of minus log 5 25. So we can write this as, so this minus means you could write this as 25 to the power of minus 1. Do you understand? That is 1 over 25, right? And 1 over 25 is 1 over 5 square, right? So anyway, from the rules of logarithms, we can write this as 25 to the power of minus 1. So this is actually equals to, this 1 goes there, and so we get 25 to the power of minus 1, or we can write this as 1 over 25. You see that? So that is the answer for part B. Part C. We should start from the right side. Well, this is inside, right? That is outside. Think like this. Correct? Now log 2 of 2 is what? Is 1. Correct? And log 2 of 1 is? Log of 1 is always 0. So that is your answer, right? So we can write this as log 2 of 1, which is equals to 0. And that is our answer for this. Correct? Question 2. Determine the restrictions for y equals to log to the base 3 of 25 minus x squared. Now to find restrictions, we can do the inequality. We know that this 25 minus x squared should be greater than 0, right? That will give us the restrictions or the valid views also. So I will do it using a small sketch. So let me make the sketch here itself. Let's say this is our coordinate system. And here we will sketch 25 minus x squared. If I put x equals to 0, what do I get? I get 25, right? So let's say this is 25. And if I put y equals to 0, I get x equals to square root of plus minus 5, correct? So I have a parabola here which is like opening downwards from 25. You see that? And these points are 5 and minus 5. Is that okay? Now you have to see what are the restrictions. It means that x is between what values. So the restrictions are that x is between this value and this value, not including plus minus 5, correct? And therefore I can write that x is greater than minus 5 and is less than 5. So that is my answer, right? So we should be in this portion where we are above the horizontal axis. Okay? Question 3. Express a single logarithm. So this multiplication means, this addition means multiplication, correct? And 2, we can write this as a square. And the trick here is log to the base 4. So they don't really have the same base. Base here is 4, not 2, and that poses difficulty. So what we need to do is, we have to write log to the base 4 of b as log to the base 2, right? So a change of base formula is to be applied here. correct? So this portion I am doing first for you. And then we'll just combine the two terms, right? That should be simple. Now here this could be written as log to the base 2 of b divided by log to the base 2 of 4, right? Now 4 is 2 square, therefore this is 2, right? So this could be now written as, let me write this now, as log to the base 2 of b, and that is half 2, right? Divide by 2. So I can write this as half. Do you get it? So I'm rewriting this equation, rather the expression given to us, and we will write this as log to the base 2 of a squared. You see that? And let's move leftwards to write down our final solution as a single log. So it is single log to the base 2 of a squared times square root of b. So that is a single logarithm for the given expression. Question number 4, we have got 3 different equations which I will solve in, or share the solution in the next video. Okay? Thank you and all the best.